Hello everyone, myself Dr. J.P. Tiwari. I am going to introduce a very important topic, that is introduction to motion. Motion is the part of life and it is very important in our life. It can be study for success in all boards student, IIT, NEET and other competitive exams. Here we describe motion. Motion is the change in position of a body with time. Motion can be described in terms of, first of all, distance. Distance moved is the actual length of the path travelled by a body. And displacement. Displacement is the length of the shortest path travelled by a body from initial position to its final position. The motion can be divided in two forms, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. First of all, the uniform motion is described, that is, if a body travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. For example, pendulum of watch. And second, non-uniform motion. If a body travels unequal distance in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in non-uniform motion. For example, motion of a ball. Speed. Speed can be defined as the speed of a body is the distance travelled by the body in unit time. In formula form, speed equal to distance upon time. If a body travels a distance s in time small t, then its speed v is v equal to s upon t. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. It is also can be written as m/s or meter second to the power -1. Since speed has only magnitude, it is a scalar quantity. Average speed. Average speed is the ratio of total distance travelled to the total time taken. Average speed equal to total distance travelled upon total time taken. For example, a car travels 60 km from point A to B, then 70 km from point B to C. The total time took was 1.3 hours. What was the average speed of the car? Here the solution: total distance equal to distance covered in first part A to B plus second part B to C. The total distance 60 km plus 70 km equals to 130 km, and the total time 1.3 hours. Average speed equal to total distance covered upon total time. The total distance equal to 130 km and the total time 1.3 hours. So the total average speed equal to 100 km per hours. Here the velocity. Velocity of a body is the displacement of the body per unit time. Velocity equal to displacement upon time taken. For example, a vehicle moves 5 meter per second in east. Here, the magnitude and direction both are available, so it is a vector quantity, and this is called velocity. It is different from speed in this manner. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second. It is also can be written as meter oblique second or meter second to the power -1. Note, since velocity has both magnitude and direction, it is a vector quantity. Average velocity. Average velocity is the ratio of the total displacement to the total time taken. Average velocity equal to total displacement upon total time. Average velocity is also the mean of the initial velocity u and final velocity v. So it is can be written as average velocity equal to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2, or in the bracket u plus v upon 2. Speed and velocity have the same unit, that is meter per second or meter second to the power -1. The example, if a car changes its speed in north from 15 meter per second to 25 meter per second, what is the average velocity of the car? Solution: u equal to 15 meter per second and v equal to 25 meter per second. The average velocity equal to u plus v by 2, that is 15 meter per second plus 25 meter per second divided by 2. 15 plus 25 equal to 40 meter per second divided by 2, that is 20 meter per second. Now acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration in formula form: the acceleration equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. If the velocity of a body changes from initial value u to final value v in time t, then acceleration is a equal to v minus u upon t. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Okay, thank you.